How to turn off or shut down your PC safely and quickly. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys few good ways to turn off or shut down your PC in a safe way. The first thing you have to do is use your keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4. What it does is it will bring out your power menu. But if your Alt F4 doesn't work, you're going to have to press Alt function and then F4 key, and it will bring out the power off menu like this. You can choose shutdown from here and then shut it down. Let me just show you guys on the on-screen keyboard. So what you're going to do is press Alt and then the function key, and up here you'll have your function F4 key. You're going to press it, Alt function, and then you're going to press F4 like this, and it will close the application and bring out the menu like so, and then hit enter. This is the first method. The second method you can do is on the keyboard, you're going to press Windows plus X key, Windows plus X, these two keys, and this power off menu will open up. Now, if you want to go to shutdown or sign up without using your mouse, you're going to do Alt Windows X, U, and then to shut down, it's U again. So this is the second method, and the best way is to go to your power menu here and then hold on to Shift and then click on shutdown. It will shut it down completely without having to reboot again. So when you reboot your computer, it will completely refresh it and turn it on like a completely brand new. So that's how you basically shut down your computer in a quick and easy way. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.